What's up, RC addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something a little bit different. We've got a new battery charger. I think I showed you guys this in some of my recent acquisitions, one of my latest videos. I got this last year, and I just recently had a chance to use it actually just a couple days ago. It's the Lectron Pro AC/DC Duo multi-chemistry balanced charger discharger. So it does lipos, nickel metal, life, LIHV, and I think something else, regular lead batteries as well. You can charge two batteries at once. Charge on one side here, the other side here. It comes with all this stuff here. Well, most of it anyway. Let's see. Let's look at the box. Because I had some of these extra cables made. So let's see. It includes an XT90, Dean's or T, charging adapters. So it also came with this one. I'll explain what this one does here in a little bit. It came with the balance leads, and one thing, okay, I think these are the extras I had made. I had these extras so I can charge two at once. It comes with its own power cord, which a lot of charging battery chargers these days, for some reason, which is kind of ridiculous, don't come with a power cord. But this one does. So I'm going to show you here, show you around the charger, how it works and everything. So let's first look at it. So it tells you everything it says here on the front, what it does, just what I just told you. You got your LCD displays. Channel 1 would be the battery on the left, channel 2 battery on the right. You got your start stop buttons to change the menu displays and all that stuff. There's a lot of stuff you can get into here with this. So here you got your, where you put your power cord, where you'll plug your connectors to charge battery, your balance lead. I guess you can check your temps externally with that here. I don't have whatever it is I need for that, and the same thing on the other side. Now here it says DC input. Okay, now the cool thing about this charger is you can charge this in the field, providing you have a battery. This cable here, the long one, it's got the XT60 connector on it that came with the charger, and it's got clamps here on the end. Okay, and no, it's not for anything kinky. You got the red for positive, black for negative. You can hook this to your battery terminal in your car, then plug it in here. You got power in the field to charge your batteries. Genius. Genius. Alright, so let's get that out of there. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure I will one day. Alright, you got your fan here to keep things cool while you're charging. Do not charge your batteries unattended. Alright, so let's plug it in and show you what's going on. Okay, so here's your balance lead. Okay, for your balance lead. Let's get all these other cords out of the way. And we're just going to use the one side for now. We don't need to use both sides because it's kind of redundant, I guess. So Okay, you plug your balance lead in there till it clicks, it stays in, and what I recommend is to just leave it plugged in, because those little prongs in there, they're easy to bend. Once you break them, I guess that's it. You got to buy a new charger. So that being said, I'm not gonna unplug that anymore. Okay, so you get your power supply, AC input. Okay, and I'm gonna plug it in. Automatically comes on, power's on. Actually, I'm gonna do that other side too. Let's go ahead and plug that in. Alright, so we're plugged in, just in case I want to show you guys something. Alright, so you can see the LCD screen. Right now it says Lipo charge set for 2S battery, 5200 milliamp hour, 5.2 amps. That's the charge rate. Over here, I had a 2S battery over here at 1500 milliamp hour, 1.5 amps charge rate. Okay, so here's this button here. I'll cycle through your menu, and you'll see it change live. Program select. You can pick Lipo battery. Oh, sorry. Lilo. So these are the different batteries you can charge here. Life, LiHV, NIM, NiCad, lead battery. Got your digital power. Let's see what that does. Okay, I guess it's the charging rate and the power modes. We're gonna go back. I'm not changing that. Basically, we're just gonna go ahead and you got your memory saves. If you set up something special like we just went in there, you can save it. I guess you can load it. User settings and back to batteries. So I want to go to user settings, show you something real quick. So you see over here, I'm going to show you this over here. So you see over here, it was set up for a 1500 milliamp hour battery, which may have been this one. No. Oh, it was one of these little crappy batteries I have from the WL Toys. 1500 milliamp 2S. I was balanced storage charge here. So we want to go here to user settings. We're going to hit enter. We're going to skip that. Oh, sorry. User settings. And then you use this one to scroll through your options in here. Now I'm looking for safety timer right here. It'll cut off after 2 hours. 2 hours after 240 minutes for safety. Now here, this is what I'm looking at for here. Your charge capacity cutoff. I think the highest capacity battery I have is a 5200 milliamp hour battery. Right here. So what you can do is, once you're here, you hit enter. It's on. Okay. And move over here, and you can change this. So let's say if you have a 4500 milliamp hour battery and you wanted to cut off there, it'll stop there. Since this is 5200, we're going to go up to 5200. Okay, let's see how high it goes. It goes pretty high. But we don't have anything that high. We don't want to overcharge the battery. So we're going to put the, and it will cut off at, automatically recognize that it's at 52 and cut off. But if the battery was bigger than 52, let's say here, let's for example, the battery is 52, and we set this to 46, it's going to stop when this reaches 46. 5200 milliamp. So we have this at 52. Enter. Okay. So now we're going to go back to Lipo battery. All right, now I'm going to show you how to charge up. You have different functions, not just charging. So you have the Lipo balance charge, 2S. Then you can put it to a storage charge, discharge your battery, just straight charge it, but balance charge. That's where we want to be, balance charge. You see this here says 2S. This is a 3S battery. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Now you can go in here and do it manually. Okay, I'll show you how to do it manually on this one here. But you normally, it's when I plugged it in a few times yesterday, it automatically changed from 2S to 3S. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. First, you plug the balance lead. Okay. Oh, let me get my other. Get the Dean's connector. You want to plug that into. Okay, so first you plug your balance lead in. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can charge up to 6S. Okay. Then you plug in. Now see, that changed. It was 2. Now it changed to 3 automatically. All right. And we have it set at 5200 milliamp. And we're going to plug. Fully connect the battery. We have it set to charge. You hold the enter or start. It'll beep. It's going to check the battery. It says, hey, do you want to cancel or do you want to confirm? Well, we want to confirm. So you're going to hit enter. And there we go. It's charging. Alright. Now when it's finished charging, you'll hear a series of beeps. It'll say end or full. It'll say full. When that's done, you just hit stop. You'll see the screen. Then you disconnect your battery. Okay, so you want to storage charge it or discharge your battery. Let's say discharge the battery. Do the same thing, same steps. And you hold start. It's going to check. And then it's going to automatically discharge. And it'll say done when it's done. Now, yesterday what I was doing was balance charging these. I mean, not balance charging, storage charging. So we put a storage charge, 3S. It's going to go at 2 amps. 5200 milliamp hours. Hold the enter or start. It's going to check, and then it's going to go ahead and storage charge it. So since I kind of messed with it for a few seconds, I'm putting it back in storage charge. Now to show you how to change this manually for a 2S 5200 milliamp hour battery right here. You see now it says 2S 1500 milliamp. Before I plug it in, you hold, you don't hold, you just tap enter. It's going to ask you 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S. That's as high as it goes. We're doing 2S. Hit enter. It's going to take you to milliamp hour. You just go up till you get to your appropriate 5200. Now I already have the other thing set to 5200, so I'm not going to go back in there and do that again. Enter. It's going to charge at 5.2. Enter. Okay, now it's ready. You're going to take your balance lead. Going to plug that in. Okay. Then you plug and get your Dean's this normally I already have this already plugged in. So, and then you connect it and then you charge. Now let me show you what's going to happen in case you forget to change that to 2S. Oh wait, see, it's not fully connected, so it won't try to charge. Okay, so we're going to do we're going to change that to 3. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, we're going to leave everything else the same. We just change that to 3S, but it's a 2S battery. Let's charge. Hold it. Look, cell connection error. It's expecting a 3S battery. It's a 2S. So it won't let you do it. So you got to change that, right? What do? Oh, press that one time. Move that to 2. Enter. You're leaving everything else the same. Okay. I want to put this into storage charge, so we go here. Oh look, 1500 milliamp hours. So I'm going to hit this, keep that at 2S. We're going to change this to 52. Enter. It's going to charge at storage at 2 amps. Hold start. Just going to check you. There we go. We're storage charging. So you get a 1-year warranty, and what comes in the box is everything I showed you too. You also get the user manual, which is nowhere around here. Oh, maybe it's in the box. Oh, yeah, there we go. Right place for it. So give this a read. I obviously didn't, because I don't know everything in the menu does, but I plan to read this. Sure. But yeah, all I'm doing is charge the batteries, discharging, and storage charging. That's all I need to know really, and how to change some other things, but it's set up for what I want to do. Also, you get a pretty cool Lectron sticker in the box too. I got this at my local hobby shop. I don't remember how much it was at the time of purchase. I know it was probably about $40 or so. I got this at NWA RC Raceway. I'll leave a link to my local hobby shop in the descriptions below. I urge you guys, support local, buy local if you can. There's nothing wrong with buying online, catching a good deal, but there's nothing like a brick and mortar store. Go into, talk to people, socialize, actually touch and look at stuff before you buy it. But anyway, enough on that. Yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think. If you guys have one of these, what you think about it in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this one if you don't have it, and maybe you might want to go check it out. I don't know. All right, we're gonna let these things storage charge. I'm gonna go sit back, relax, and something. Oh, look at that. Couldn't time that even better. Okay, so it's finished storage charging. Like I said, it says end storage. So it's ready to go. So what you do is hit stop. Disconnect your battery. Put it away. In a safe spot. I use an ammo container, an ammo box. Metal, not plastic. Alright. Alright guys. That's it. It's your boy Jeff C. Signing off. Share the knowledge, keep the hobby alive. God bless. Peace.